TheElectricBike.com. Perform a basic cycle maintenance. Step 1. Check the bike frame if it has any cracks, particularly around the welds. If you find them, repair them immediately. Step 2. Inspect the tires for cuts, bulges, or torn threads. After that, use an air pressure gauge to make sure the tire is correctly inflated. Step 3. Use an Allen wrench or a socket wrench to check for loose bolts or screws. Apply firm pressure until snug. You don't have to over-tighten anything. Step 4. Inspect the gears and chain for excess dirt or wear. Lubricate and clean by using a spray lubricant. Step 5. Check the brakes while spinning each tire and depressing the handbrake. The tire should stop immediately. Use a stainless steel pad to clean the brake heads. Step 6. Check if your helmet has any cracks on it, and make sure the helmet pads give comfort and proper fit.